speaks about a woman of many parts, a leader of leaders, a master of the microphone, the voice that commands attention, the coach of champions, a planner with vision, a dependable queen of ceremonies, a consistent supporter of talent, a woman who empowers others, one who speaks and mountains move, a builder of greatness, the brain behind successful events, a lady of poise, purpose, and power, one who wears many crowns with grace, in no other person than Honorable Shola ọmọ Àṣekún, Aya Amusu. Let's celebrate our people. Ṣe púpọ̀ ọdún láyé nínú owó nínú ọmọ àlàáfíà òun àìkú baálẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo tí wọ́n pa ọ́ lẹ́rìn òní pa ọ́ lẹ́kùn ire lójú owó rí ojú rẹ̀ ò ní ríbi